we got something wrong here. Hi, puppy. So I'm trying to watch my daily dose of internet. So I grabbed the video, and I'm trying to share what this is. I go to AirPlay. What the fuck is that?
Alright guys, I put a hole under there, and I put the blanket over there, and my dad's over there, look at him. Let's see if he comes. Oh, shit.
Yo, so one of my friends told me that if you turn off the lights and say gay guy 3 times, a gay guy will appear. Gay guy, gay guy, gay guy.
Hi, sisters!
Do it.
Quit being a fuck.
And then they go, can we just
I used to have a dog. Come on. Hey, dickhead! Come out now! Hello.
That's really smart.
Nope, not yet.
I ain't never had Starbucks.
You never had Starbucks?
Nah, that's some white people shit.
No, it's not. So why'd I get it?
Cause you're white.
Yeah, this hotel's kind of cool. Like, it's got nice view, nice curtains. I do think it's kind of ridiculous that I literally have to put this sign up so they won't molest me, but I mean, fucking, you know, it's a different country, so. Dad, I know a gay guy that sounds just like an owl.
Who?
I know a gay guy that sounds just like an owl.
Who?
Dad, I know a gay guy that sounds just like an owl.
Who is it?
You?
Who?
Yo, home, so my tooth just fell out, right? And I'm gonna put it under my pillow, and I hope my tío gives me $1 tomorrow, I see? We're gonna see what happens. Alright, Holmes. Let's see what I got. See how much I got. That's not money. Tío, what the fuck?
We gotta keep the thotties out, right? No thotties.
No thotties.
No thotties.
This is me, walking back to the Target bathroom to re-wipe my ass.
Do you work for the feds?
Hell no, nigga. Would I look like a fucking snitch?
Yeah, it's my birthday today. What can I get out here for free?
Nothing.
You a bitch!
If James Charles DMs you, say no.
You don't think you know this girl, but you know this girl. I know you know this girl.
Yes! Oh my god!
Martinez, you just graduated high school. What are you planning on doing next?
Shit, going home and jacking off. That's what I'm gonna do.
Here's motherfucking.
Okay, do not play with that, please.
Where you running?
Alright, so put the cord on your forehead and you're gonna try to make it into the funnel, okay? Lean back some more. Is it gonna miss some people? Like...
And cuddle, but put me in summer and I'll be a happy snowman. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dream, relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam.
Water?
No, I had to double take because it is a D, but it didn't look like a D at first.
D? What does it look like?
It looks like an O, Mom.
Wayo?
Oh my god.
Okay, what would that...
Horror.
Oh.
Arriba!
Customer dropped off their phone today at the shop, and look what I found in this bitch. And he told me no, he told me to keep it on. So I go and I find this shit. Bro, you know I'm about to secure the bag.
I was going to pick up my husband's phone.
This for Brian, right?
Yeah.
I hear him now. It could be fixed.
Why?
The battery seemed punctured and the motherboard got water damage. There's no way the phone can be repaired.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Sometimes before bed, I like to make warm milk with sugar. It reminds me of what my mom used to make when I was little, when we were all happy and before she cheated on my dad and ruined everything in our lives.
When she keeps sucking after you're already busted.
Alright, it's on my way to pick up my order. What's up, Camber? Hi. Here for an order for Blake Kimball.
Okay. Here you go.
Thanks, dog. Yo.
Hey, can you read this?
Oh yeah, what the fuck?
It's Brittany, bitch.
Your brain thinks these two shoes are different colors. Don't believe me? Put a finger in your ass.
Hey, how can you tell if the pasta's ready?
Just throw it on the wall. If it sticks, it's ready. Fuck, maybe 2 more minutes.
Well, here we go, guys. Here's a challenge. If I make this ball in that hoop, racism is ended. Well, sorry, guys. Don't know what to tell you.
Dad, I got something to tell you. You're gay. No, why do you always say that? Son, it's okay. We accept you for who you are. We love you, dude. Like, you don't gotta be ashamed. I'm not gay. It's alright. Give me a kiss. Just kidding. Might turn you on.
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
What?
You just tagged that on my shoe?
Yeah, sorry.
When you're at Panera and you're eating tomato soup and you find a Band-Aid in it and now you have AIDS.
Mom! Oh my fucking God, what is it now, Junior? You can't cook for shit, bitch. That's cause your little fat ass love greasy food. You want some soup? Hell no. You want some salad? Fuck no. Then shut your little fat ass up.
Are you eating a fucking brick? Don't eat the brick. I don't know what kind of drugs you're on, but stop. Get out of the fucking cage. It's for the dog. Fuck off with the brick. Hey, dip fuck. Out of the cage. Hey, dip fucker. No more brick.
Hey, I'm a little slow too, but I don't advertise it.
Yo, Alexa, do you have a joke for my viewers they're watching? Guys, don't scroll. Come on, let her find a joke. Go on internet. Come on.
Okay, I got one. Hey everyone, don't you wish the grass in your backyard was emo?
Why would they wish the grass would be...
So it would just cut itself.
Oh my God.
Now you have to be real fucking high to look at a piece of chicken and just see Jesus.
Bro, I'm not cutting this shit. I'm gonna go to hell if I do.
My fucking homies ain't never gonna believe it when I say it was potato juice, bro. They ain't gonna believe it. So, you know what I'ma say? I'ma just be like, hey, it's cum. And they're not gonna ask me questions. Shit.
Yo, so I'm looking after my friend's cat for the week. And I know cats are known to catch birds.
But tell me, how the fuck did this motherfucker catch a fish?